So I'm just getting more into this world of clean beauty, and so I wanted to share with you some of my current favorite clean beauty products. I have 10 for you guys, and I feel like I'm just starting to dive into this world, so hopefully I'll have more clean beauty stuff in the future, and I want to try and start sticking more to just clean beauty products. So if you have any recommendations for clean beauty products, let me know down below. But for today, I'm going to share with you some of my personal favorites here. So if you're interested to see, then keep on watching. This is the Skinfix Eczema Plus Extra Strength Body Cream. I think I've gone through maybe 5 or 6 of these already. My husband and I literally use this up, like drink it like it's water. It is thick and so nice, especially if you have eczema or skin conditions. This really helps to calm it down. It has colloidal oatmeal. It really relieves my itching and whatnot, and it relieves my dry skin. I use this every morning and every night when I come out of the shower. This stuff is just fantastic. I just want to show you how thick this product is. It is so thick and nice, and it goes right into my skin. Like, I could use that bit for my whole arm, maybe a leg. I'm also balancing this camera on one leg, so it's quite frightening. Sorry if it's shaking, but it is so good. The next 3 products here are the Primera products that I have. This is one of my favorite products by a clean brand. Primeira is under Amore Pacific, so it's like their sister line of all clean beauty products. So this essence, this is my second one. I just finished the first one and a bunch of samples, and I'm going to show you how amazing this essence is. This stuff is so good because it's like almost like a thick water, and it goes into your skin before you put on your serums and whatnot. And I just feel like it absorbs so deeply into the skin and just helps to allow all the other products to really soak in. I love pairing it with this wild seed firming serum. This stuff is a little bit thick and tacky, so I love this for the winter time. But I really do see a difference in my skin texture. I feel like it does feel more smooth, and it allows my skin to have that elastic feeling again. Getting a little older, but this does really help with the elasticity of my skin. I feel like it's a bit more bouncy when I use this. So this product is a tried and true for me. This a mild peeling gel is such a good exfoliator for your skin. I've used maybe 3 of this size. I've never ventured to buy the full size, but I have so many of the small ones. And this stuff is so good. It just helps to exfoliate your skin, but not in a harsh way. So you like rub it on your face, and then all of a sudden you have all these pills, and it is freaking crazy. I just want to also shout out to Octoly. Thank you for sending over these products. Well, not this one. They sent over these 2 products. I saw them on the site, and I absolutely automatically had to get them because these are staples for me. And so I saw them and I was like, ooh, hurry up, get them. So thank you, Octoly and Primeira, for sending those products to me. The next 2 products here are the Guillot Recipe Avocado Melt Retinol Sleeping Mask. This stuff is the sister product to the Watermelon Face Mask, and this you leave on overnight, and it is so good. Your skin feels exfoliated but bright and glowy. If you need yourself a really nice glow in the morning, this is amazing. It also has retinol in it, so it's fantastic. So usually when I use AHAs and whatnot, it kind of like, it might irritate my skin, but these don't. They're super nourishing and I love them. Also, I find that this Watermelon Glow Mist is like a little luxury in a bottle. It's also a product that makes my skin so glowy. It smells so good. And I just want to use this all the time, every day, wherever I am. These next two products are from Trilogy, and I actually went to an event from them maybe a year ago, and I absolutely adore so many of their products. But these two are my signature favorite products. We've got the Hydrating Mist Toner, and I literally use this every morning when I wake up, before I go to sleep, when I come out of the shower. I use this all the time. It really just kind of boosts my skin, makes it feel good. This has rose, geranium, and lavender, so it smells amazing, and you can just feel the hydration of it going into your skin. This stuff is so good. I literally use this just all the time. And then we've got the certified organic rosehip oil, and this is also another tried and true for me. I use this on my face when it's really super dehydrated and I need the extra like seal-in oil. This stuff is amazing. It's thick, but it's not too thick. But something else I really love to use this for is for all over my body. So it's just so nourishing and so hydrating, and it feels so good on the skin. I'm an avid Drunk Elephant person, and this is by far my favorite product from Drunk Elephant, and it's their Protini polypeptide cream. I'm sad that this is all I've got to show you because I think I've gone through maybe 4 or 5 of them. It is such a good cream. This is like a gel based cream. Sometimes if I need an extra boost of oil, I'll put the Trilogy oil into it as well. But this stuff stands alone and it is fantastic. It's just such a wonderful cream. It feels so nice on the skin, and even though it's a gel, it's super nourishing, and I am obsessed with this. I've gone through so many of these, but they are kind of pricey. They're $68, so I always end up getting these like small sizes in sample bags and whatnot, so it's lasted me, but I'm gonna have to pick up a new one soon. Last but not least, I love the brand Eminence. It's one of those brands that you can find at spas. I'm not going to actually open this one because once you open it, it has a pretty short shelf life, so you do have to finish it. But this product is amazing. This has 2 masks in it, as you could see. This left side is the charcoal T-zone purifier, and then we've got the pomelo cheek treatment. So you can really kind of mix and match your masks to zone out where you need what. So I like to use the charcoal side for my nose, my chin area, and then I like to use the pomelo side for my cheeks. This side is more nourishing and hydrating. This side is better for purifying and to get all that clogged skin out. And it is just the perfect combination. This stuff is strong. So this charcoal side is super cooling. You can feel the gunk being pulled out of your face. It's so nice. And then this side is super nourishing, and I just feel like this is the perfect idea to have 2 masks in one that you could just bring along with you. So I hope that was helpful for you guys to know some of my personal clean beauty favorites. These are obviously skincare products. And I would love to know your recommendations because I'm just kind of diving more into this clean beauty world. So I would love your suggestions, and let me know if you like these kind of videos because I find it really helpful to know what kind of clean beauty products are out on the market. So yeah, thank you all so much for watching. I hope that this was a helpful video for you all, and I'll see you guys next time. Talk to you later. Bye.